Hey friends, did you know that we Montagnards don't speak the same language? Actually, we speak many different languages, each one tied to our own unique communities. Let me tell you a little bit more about that. Let's go. The word Montagnard is actually a broad term, kind of like how people use the term Native American. Just as Native Americans are the indigenous peoples of the United States, Montagnards are the indigenous peoples of Vietnam's Central Highlands. And just like there are many Native American tribes, there are many different Montagnard tribes too, each with its own language, culture, and traditions. For example, my people, the Jarai, along with the Rhade and Roglai, speak Austronesian languages. These are part of a language family that stretches across the Pacific, from Indonesia to the Philippines and even to Hawaii. Other Montagnard groups like the Bahnar, Mnong, and Sedang speak Mon-Khmer languages, which are related to Khmer, the language of Cambodia. So when someone asks, what language do Montagnards speak? There's no single answer. We are a family of many voices, each one carrying its own history. As a Montagnard, I'm proud of this diversity. It's something that makes us unique and something worth sharing. If you'd like to hear more stories about our languages, cultures, and people, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the Montagnard channel, and hit that bell icon so you won't miss the next one. Thanks for watching and see you next time.